Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download an antivirus by Microsoft for free. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it and just wait. So here on the search bar, search here Microsoft Defender. So just wait, it is searching. So here you can see Microsoft Defender is showing. Now click on it. Now click on Get to download it. So here you can see it is getting ready. So this Microsoft Defender will protect you from the unauthorized access of your computer from any hacker. So it will take a few seconds to download. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.